Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video, we are going to solve one of the most important questions from simplification of rational expression. Here we go. Dear students, the question is simplify 1 by 1 over 1 minus x plus x square minus 1 over 1 plus x square minus 2x over 1 plus x square plus x4. So dear students, in this problem we are given three rational expressions and we have to solve. We have to combine them and we have to change it into a single rational expression. So let's simplify it. Dear students, at first we'll take the LCM of the first two rational expressions. So let us take the LCM of the first two rational expression. 1 minus x plus x square. So taking the LCM of the denominators of the first two rational expressions. Dear students, we know that LCM is equal to common factor into remaining factor. So common factor times remaining factor is the LCM of any algebraic expression. Dear students, the LCM of 1 minus x plus x square and 1 plus x square, we have got 1 minus x plus x square times 1 plus x square. So after taking the LCM, we have to divide the LCM by the denominators. So if we divide the LCM by the first denominator, 1 minus x plus x square and 1 minus x plus x square, they are the same, so they will cancel each other. Then we get the remaining factor 1 plus x square. So this 1 plus x square will multiply the numerator. Then minus. Now again dividing the LCM by the second denominator. So if we divide the LCM by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square both are same, so they will cancel each other. Then we get the quotient, or we can say that we get the remaining factor 1 minus x square. Dear students, we can directly also simplify it. Simply we can do cross multiplication if the denominators are not the same. That means if denominators do not have any common factor, in that case we can multiply, we can do the crisscross, or we can say we can do the cross multiplication. 1 times 1 plus x square, we get 1 plus x square. Again minus 1 times minus 1 plus x square. So we get this expression, and the third expression will keep as it is, which is 2x over 1 plus x square plus x square. So dear students, now we are going to remove the bracket. Minus 1 into 1, we get minus 1, minus minus plus 1 into x, we get x, minus plus minus x square. So if we multiply 1 minus x plus x square with minus 1, then we get minus 1 plus x minus x square. 1 minus x plus x square, keeping as it is, 1 plus x square. So the LCM will keep as it is, minus 2x over 1 plus x square plus x4. So dear students, now some of the terms we can cancel. Plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel. Minus x square and plus x square will also cancel. Now we have got only two terms, x plus x. So after adding them, we get x plus x equals 2x. Now let's combine the denominator also. That means the LCM of the two expressions. So if we combine 1 minus x plus x square, 1 plus x square, the product will be exactly 1 plus x square plus x power 4. So let's combine the two expressions. We get the product of these two expressions will be exactly 1 plus x square plus x power 4, which we can check by multiplication in the rough. So dear students, now at last we have to simplify the last two expressions. So if we take the LCM is 1 plus x square plus x4. Both the denominators are same. So we know that LCM is common factor times remaining factor. So we have got the common factor 1 plus x square plus x4, and we don't have any remaining factor. So if the denominators of both the expressions are same, then we should not do cross multiplication. We can directly write the numerators as it is. So 2x will be as it is, minus 2x will be as it is. So 2x minus 2x will be equals to 0. 1 plus x square plus x4, the denominator writing the same. 0 by something, 0 over something, we get 0. If 0 is divided by any number, then we get 0. So dear students, after simplification, the given rational expression, we have got the solution equals to 0. So dear students, the simplification is very simple. So first we have to take the LCM of the first two expressions, and if we do just crisscross, then we get 2x over 1 plus x square plus x power 4. Now finally we have to take the LCM of the remaining two expressions. So both the expressions are exactly same, so we can cancel each other because one is positive, another is negative. Or instead of cancelling, we have to take the LCM. The LCM is 1 plus x square plus x power 4. So 2x and minus 2x we can cancel, or we can say 2x minus 2x is equal to 0. 0 over something, we get 0. So I hope you have understood how to do the simplification of rational expression. Thank you for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.